Hi friends, this video shows how to pair Google TV remote. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Then go down, set remotes and accessories. Go down, here you can see Google TV remote. First I am going to unpair or forget this remote. Let me select Google TV remote, then select forget. Then select yes. So this way we can unpair or forget Google TV remote. Next I will show you how we can pair it back. And here on back side of this Google TV streamer, you can see one reset button over here. We need to press and hold this reset button. Let me press and hold. When you see searching for accessories, at that point you can release this reset button. Let me release. Then take remote controller. See, here we need to press and hold these two buttons together, back and home buttons. Let me press and hold these two buttons together until you see LED light flashing. See, here you can see the LED light. Now you can release the buttons. Then please wait. The name of this Google TV will come here on the screen. So please wait. See, you can see the Google TV remote. Again, using this reset button, you can select Google TV remote. Okay, then again press and hold this reset button to confirm that selection. Press and hold reset button. See, now it's showing pairing. Then just take the remote, just hold it. Now you can hear the beep sound. That means it's paired. Done. Let me test. See, it's working. So this way we can pair Google TV remote. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.